Hello, mema wakwaba eba ene channel yusu. Inti ene no ye awaakye. Awaakye we eye homemade. Awaakye simply means rice and beans. Usually we use soughum leaves to make it red, to give it the color. And waakye is eaten with a little of gari, a little of talia or spaghetti. Then you can choose to have egg, meat, fish, whatever accompaniment that you want to enjoy your waakye with. So for me and my family this morning, we are having waakye with gari and then talia. Aya samano stew so kakra. Oba hanso a yawo yenam tufa enam so kakra ofa kosua kakra sana yeye no. I know I have whet your appetite. Don't worry. Next time I am going to invite you to this feast. To make the waakye, I have on fire 1 cup of beans. I also have here my soughum leaves or my karandafi. This is how I store mine. And then there cannot be waakye without rice, so I have 2.5 cups of rice. If I have more beans, I make the ratio 2:1. 1 cup of beans is to 2 cups of rice, but I need more of the waakye, so it is 2.5:1. Then I'll be using some salt here. I will also be spicing the waakye up with this cow tail and then eggs. Over here is my boiling water for the spag. Waakye de ene talia ene eko ntino metalia nso na me de esisun ebeye gari kakra bi ede aka ho. I don't want the leaves to be flying in the water, so I have tied it up, so when it's time for me to take it out, I can easily remove everything at a go. So I will leave it to cook and color the water. See, talia abbing, and to avoid sticky, and so to avoid it from getting stuck to each other, I am going to run some cold water on it. Then a little touch of anointing. So the talia is ready. I have on fire my oil, which is heated, so I'm going to fry the meat. I'm adding a small amount of the stock into the waakye. It's been cooking for over 30 minutes. I'm going to add the rice and salt. I did not add salt to the beans because the salt would have hardened the beans. So I'm now giving it a touch of salt. The water is okay. I will not take some out, neither will I also add any other water. If I would add any water, it has to be this red water. If I add ordinary water to it, it will lighten the color. But because I don't have much of the karandafi, I'm still going to allow it cook with the rice. And so the waakye has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Aha hwam no ho enya agro. Like I said, I'm not going to add any water. Na hello medofo me mawo akwaba eba ene Palm Sunday feast no so wo hwe ha we homemade awaakye wunti ena me ye I made it with you in mind. So ene yedi awaakye kakra, talia kakra, carrot kakra, green pepper kakra, garlic kakra, ena we fry no shito stew kakra, enam kakra, kosua kakra, nti bibia kakra awaakye ena yedi no. Oh yeah, chop kiss.